Hello kids, how are you all? Hope that you are doing well. In our last class, we have already learned about the different sense organs. So kids, today we are going to learn about the sense organ. See here, eyes. Yes, see here, eyes. How many eyes we have? Yes, one, two. Two eyes. Yes, we have two eyes. Yes, see here. Here are my two eyes. Everyone show me your eyes. Do you know our eyes helps us to see different things around us? Yes. And it also helps us to read books. Yes, it also helps us to read our books. It helps us to see different colors. Yes, it helps us to see different colors, and it helps us to see our online classes also. Yes, so kids, we should always take care of our eyes. Yes, we should always wash our eyes with cold water. Yes, we should always wash our eyes with cold water. We should not put our fingers inside our eyes. Yes, we should not put our fingers inside our eyes. And we should always clean our eyes with napkins and tissue papers. We should always clean our eyes with napkins and tissue papers. So kids, do you know what will happen if we close our eyes? Yes, let's do. Yes, everyone close your eyes and see what will happen. Kids, I have closed my eyes. Yes, everything is very dark. I can't see anything. Everything is very dark. Can you see anything? No. So kids, if our eyes will be closed, we can't see anything. Do you know kids, there are some people who don't have eyes. Yes, they are not able to see anything. So we should be thankful to God that we are having eyes, and we should always help them who cannot see, who don't have eyes. Kids, always help those people who don't have eyes. So kids, let's do one activity, okay? Hope that you all will enjoy this and understand the value of our eyes. So let's start. So kids, look here. I have closed my eyes. You also close your eyes and be ready with drawing copy and pencil. After closing our eyes, we will make one smiley. Yes, everyone, you also make one smiley. Yes, start everyone. So kids, I have make one smiley by closing my eyes. Hope that you have also made the smiley. Now let's check how our smiley is. Open your eyes everyone. This one is my smiley when I have closed my eyes. Show your smileys everyone. Yes. Now we will make the same smiley by keeping our eyes open. Yes, start. Look here. So look here kids, which smiley is looking nice? Kids, this one is the smiley when I have closed my eyes, and this one is the smiley when I made with my eyes open. Which one is looking nice? Yes, this one is looking nice. So now do you understand that our eyes is so important to read, write, draw, see different things around us? Hey my little kids, let's play one game. Yes, this one is a memory game, okay? We will see the things that is kept on the table and we will remember all the things. This game I will cover all the objects with paper, okay? And there will be 4 rounds. In each round one object will be missing, okay? One object will be missing. So you have to tell me by seeing all the objects that which is missing, okay? Now let's start everyone. See the objects properly. Here are 4 objects, okay? One bag, smiley bag, one pen, one pencil and one scale, okay? Now let's start our round number 1. Yes, let's cover it. Now you have to tell me, okay, that which object is missing here. 1, 2, 3. See here. Can you tell me which one is missing? Yes, which one is missing here? The pencil. Yes, the pencil is missing. Now let's start our round number 2. Look here kids, you have to tell me, okay? Remember that which object got missing. 1, 2, 3. See here. Can you tell me which one is missing now? Yes, do tell me in the comment box, okay? Let's start our round number 3. Let's start our round number 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Let's see. Oh my god, which one is missing now? Yes, tell me which one is missing. Yes, do tell me in the comment box. Let's start our last round, that is round number 4. Yes, 1, 2, 3. Let's see. Now tell me which one is missing here. Yes, the pen is missing. So kids, you all have seen now that we have seen all the objects and we have also seen that one by one object is missing from the table. So tell me which sense organ we are using here to play this game. Yes, do tell me the answer. You have to take more care of your eyes. Yes, and you have to clean your eyes regularly with clean water and use napkins to mop your eyes. Thank you everyone. Stay home, stay safe.